Friends, let us understand about business architecture, business intelligence architectures. Business intelligence architects, known also as business intelligence architects, works with organizations to develop data structures that help them drive their business and marketing strategies. The data are also used by the organization for identifying market trends. BI architecture, among other elements, often include both structured and unstructured data. This data comes from both internal and external sources and are transformed from raw transaction data into logical information. Now let us see what are the basic components of business intelligence architecture. So the key elements of a business intelligence architecture are source systems, ETL process, data modeling, data warehouse, enterprise information management, appliance systems, tools and technologies. Now the business intelligence conceptual architecture has been shown on the screen with source data, ETL, data warehouse, data modeling and end user tools. Now, all these things are explained thoroughly in the next coming slides. Source systems are transaction processing systems. This is the starting point of any business intelligence initiative. Organization data is first created in this database. If you do not capture the data in the operational system, you cannot analyze it. So you need to be very careful to capture the data into operating system. Now operational system, which we call it as OLTP, form the bulk of the data needed for data warehousing. In addition to that, source system may also include data from secondary sources such as market data, benchmarking data, etc. A business intelligence architecture should address all the various data sources which are of different formats and standards. And in the second step, ETL process. ETL means extract, transform and load. In an ETL process, data is extracted from the operational system and loaded into a data warehouse. So as I said, ETL, which stands for extraction, transformation and loading, is usually done using custom solutions available in the market. For example, IBM WebSphere, Data Stage, Oracle Data Integrator, or AB Initio, Microsoft Integration are examples of such tools. So these tools are used to extract, transform and load the data into the data warehouse. The next step is data modeling. Data modeling will help to address what exactly is needed from data sources. That means what we are going to extract from the data sources, the format of the data and how it will be related to other data elements. So this is the basic concept of data modeling. It is not feasible to extract everything from the source systems as that comes with cost issues. So data modeling will help to organize the data and therefore will minimize the cost of storage, replication and effort needed to build a data warehouse. The next topic is data warehouse. Warehouse will have data extracted from various operational systems, transformed to make the data consistent and loaded for analysis. A data warehouse will help in achieving cross-functional analysis, summarize data and maintaining one version of truth across enterprise. So this data warehouse in general is a repository where the total data, historic data, the operational data will be totally present in one particular place, which we call it as a data warehouse. Let us see what is enterprise information management, EAM generally we call it as. It is the jargon, business intelligence jargon, which may stump some beginners. The term usually refers to ETL tools, data modeling tools, data quality, data profiling, metadata management and master data management are the elements of this enterprise information management. The next one is BI hardware. Business intelligent hardware is important to make decisions on the hardware requirements to maintain high performance and scalable business intelligence system. Apart from server configurations, we have data warehouse appliances to combine the server, the database and the data storage into one system. Example, Netezza, Data Algo are some of the well-known appliances in the market available. Tools and technologies. Another important component of business intelligence architecture is what tools and technologies to implement. It is not just the front-end user interface and tools, but the tools used for enterprise information management as well. There are cloud solutions such as SaaS model, many full-fledged business intelligence solutions such as MSBI, Oracle BI Suites, MicroStrategy, etc. to choose. A business intelligence framework should have a guidelines to make decisions on what is required for the organization. So these are all put together is what we call it as business architecture.